We have gathered reviews and opinions from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and accurate overview of the Mooyran Colorful Astronaut Galaxy Projector, Special Limited Edition. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments below to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Now, let's dive deep into what users love and dislike about this unique star projector, and how it performs in real-world scenarios. The Mooyran Colorful Astronaut Galaxy Projector stands out as a decorative and functional piece designed to transform any indoor space into a tranquil, star-filled galaxy. Its standout feature is its exclusive colorful mask design, which projects a blend of 14 unique nebula effects accompanied by twinkling green stars. The result is a dynamic and immersive celestial display that covers the walls and ceiling, creating a calming and magical atmosphere suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, gaming setups, and more. Users consistently praise the visual impact, noting that the projections are vivid, expansive, and have a genuine star-like quality rather than appearing as a flat image. The nebulae are described as beautiful and soothing, with the electric green stars adding a distinctive touch that many find appealing, even if the color choice is unexpected. The design of the projector is both whimsical and practical. Shaped like a small astronaut, the projector's head is magnetically attached to the body, allowing for easy 360-degree adjustment of the projection angle. This flexibility means users can fine-tune the direction and coverage of the light show to suit their room layout. The removable moon base and posable arms further enhance its appeal as a decorative item, making it a conversation piece even when not in use. Many users highlight the projector's aesthetic value, stating that it fits seamlessly into themed rooms, especially those decorated with space or science motifs. It has become a favorite for children's bedrooms, home theaters, and as a unique accent for gaming desks. Functionality is a key strength of the Mooyran projector. It comes equipped with a remote control that allows users to adjust brightness, rotation speed, breathing rate, and select from multiple color modes. The remote also includes timer settings for 45 or 90 minutes, enabling the projector to automatically shut off after the user falls asleep. This is particularly appreciated by parents and anyone using the device as a nightlight. The ability to control the projector both via remote and directly on the unit itself adds convenience and flexibility, catering to different user preferences. The projector is powered via a USB cable and is not cordless, which some users note as a limitation, as it restricts placement options and requires proximity to a power source. Several reviewers express a wish for battery or rechargeable operation to enhance portability. Durability and build quality receive generally positive feedback, with many customers reporting that the projector withstands accidental drops and regular handling without issue. The body is made from glossy acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which contributes to its solid feel and resistance to heat, even after hours of continuous use. However, there are reports of occasional units failing after a few weeks or months, often with no obvious cause. While some users experienced a complete loss of function, others were able to resolve issues through customer support, who replaced defective units promptly. These mixed experiences suggest that while the majority of projectors are reliable, there may be occasional quality control inconsistencies. Users who received replacements generally express satisfaction with the customer service and the new unit's performance. The star projector's light show is frequently described as mesmerizing and calming, making it ideal for relaxation, meditation, or creating a cozy bedtime routine. Children, in particular, are enchanted by the moving stars and nebulae, and many parents report that their kids fall asleep more easily with the projector on. Adults also appreciate the tranquil ambiance it creates, whether for unwinding after a long day, enhancing a movie night, or setting the mood for a date night. The projector's multiple color modes and adjustable settings allow users to tailor the experience to their mood or activity, from vibrant and energetic to soft and soothing. The timer function is a favorite feature, providing peace of mind that the device will not stay on all night and waste energy. Despite its many strengths, the Mooyran Astronaut Galaxy Projector is not without its drawbacks. The most commonly mentioned limitation is the lack of battery or rechargeable operation, which some users find inconvenient given the trend toward wireless devices. The projector must remain plugged in via USB, which may limit placement options, especially in rooms without easily accessible outlets. Some users also mention that the base requires a firm push to attach securely, particularly with the black model, and that the projector can be a bit finicky to position perfectly for optimal projection. While most users are satisfied with the brightness and coverage, a few note that the lights can be too intense for those seeking a very dark sleeping environment, though the ability to adjust brightness and turn off the stars helps mitigate this issue. Another area of mixed feedback is long-term durability. While many users report years of trouble-free operation, a minority have experienced units that stopped working after a few weeks or months. These failures are not linked to mishandling, as the affected units often remain stationary and were operated solely via the remote. In most cases, customer service responded positively, replacing defective units and restoring user satisfaction. However, these incidents do raise questions about consistency in manufacturing quality. It is worth noting that the projector comes with a 1-year warranty, which provides some reassurance for prospective buyers. In terms of versatility, the Mooyran projector excels. It is suitable for a wide range of indoor spaces, including bedrooms, living rooms, playrooms, home theaters, and gaming setups. Its compact dimensions and tabletop design make it easy to place on a nightstand, desk, or shelf. The projector's unique astronaut shape and customizable projection angle allow it to double as a decorative figurine, adding charm to any room even when not in use. The included remote, USB cable, and user manual ensure that setup is straightforward, and most users report that the device is truly plug and play. Simply unpack, connect to power, and enjoy the light show. The Mooyran Astronaut Galaxy projector is also a popular gift choice, with many reviewers purchasing it for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its universal appeal makes it suitable for both children and adults, and it is often described as a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of wonder and relaxation to their living space. The projector's ability to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere is consistently highlighted, and it has inspired many users to recommend it to friends and family, further attesting to its popularity. From a technical standpoint, the projector uses high-efficiency LED lighting, ensuring bright and energy-efficient operation. It is designed for indoor use only and is not water-resistant, so care should be taken to avoid moisture exposure. The projector is controlled via remote or push button and supports USB connectivity for power. Its glossy finish and Art Deco style contribute to its modern, playful aesthetic, making it a standout piece in any room. The projector is lightweight, weighing just over 1 pound, and measures approximately 9.4 by 5.5 by 1.85 inches, making it easy to move and reposition as needed. In summary, the Mooyran Colorful Astronaut Galaxy projector receives high marks for its striking visual effects, versatile functionality, and charming design. Users appreciate the wide range of color and mode options, the convenience of remote control and timer functions, and the calming ambience it creates. The projector is praised for its durability and ease of use, with most users reporting positive experiences over extended periods. Some drawbacks include the lack of wireless operation and occasional quality control issues, but these are generally outweighed by the product's many strengths and responsive customer service. The projector's appeal spans all ages, making it a popular choice for bedrooms, playrooms, and as a unique gift. If you are searching for a star projector that combines visual impact, ease of use, and decorative value, the Mooyran Astronaut Galaxy projector is a compelling option. Its ability to transform any room into a relaxing, star-filled sanctuary makes it a favorite among users of all ages. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings and top ranking in the kids' room decor, lamps, and lighting category. Whether you are looking to enhance your own space or find a memorable gift, this projector delivers both style and substance. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more and support the channel. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice.